stop wasting your 20s if you're in your 20s and you feel behind. Like everyone else is moving forward, getting internships, building bodies, making money, figuring life out, and you're just stuck, scrolling, overthinking, procrastinating, promising yourself, I'll start tomorrow. Listen to me carefully. Your 20s are not meant to be perfect, but they are not meant to be wasted either. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how students silently waste their best years and how to fix it starting this week. Stay with me. This might change your direction. The invisible trap, why you feel stuck. Let me tell you about Ollie. Smart guy, big dreams, wants to be financially independent, but his day looks like this. Wake up late, scroll for 40 minutes, rush to class, come back tired, YouTube, Netflix, Reels, sleep at 2 a.m., repeat. He says he's busy, but he's not progressing. Sound familiar? Here's the science. Your brain runs on dopamine. Dopamine is a reward chemical. Every time you scroll, every time you switch apps, every time you binge content, you're training your brain to crave easy rewards. Hard work starts feeling boring. Study feels painful. Gym feels exhausting. Not because you're lazy, but because your brain is overstimulated. And that's how 20s disappear. Not with big mistakes, but with small daily leaks. Now let's fix it. Fix your mornings. The direction setter. Your morning decides your identity. Research shows your willpower is highest in the first few hours after waking up, but most students spend it on their phone. So here's your first rule. No phone for 30 minutes after waking up. Instead, step 1, make your bed. Quick win. Builds momentum. Step 2, drink water. Hydration improves cognitive performance instantly. Step 3, do 10 minutes of focus work. Just 10. Study. Read. Plan your day. Why? Because small early wins tell your brain, I am a disciplined person. Identity shapes behavior, not motivation. You don't need a perfect 5 a.m. routine. You need a powerful first 30 minutes. And now that your morning is controlled, let's talk about your afternoons. When the middle of the day, beat procrastination. Afternoons are dangerous. Energy drops. Focus fades. You feel sleepy. This is where most students escape into distractions. Instead, use the 50 to 10 rule. Study 50 minutes. Break for 10 minutes. During the break, no scrolling. Walk, stretch, breathe. This protects your dopamine levels. Also use the 2-task rule. Each day, choose only 2 important tasks. That's it. If you complete those 2, the day is a win. High performers focus on fewer important things. Low performers try to do everything and finish nothing. You don't need more time. You need fewer priorities. And when evening comes, that's where most people destroy their progress. Protect your evenings. Future you is watching. Evening habits decide your future. This is when you feel lonely, you compare yourself, you question your life. Let me say something real. It's okay if you don't have everything figured out. You're not late. You're learning. But don't numb yourself every night. Instead, build a shutdown ritual. 1 hour before bed, no heavy scrolling, no toxic comparison. Write 3 lines. What I did well today, what I learned, what I'll improve tomorrow. This builds self-awareness. And self-awareness builds growth. Sleep before 12 if possible. Your brain processes memory and learning during deep sleep. Sleep is not laziness. It's performance fuel. The mindset shift, this changes everything. Here's the truth. Your 20s are not for comfort. They are for construction. You are building skills, discipline, confidence, network, health. Stop chasing fast pleasure. Start chasing slow progress. Read more. Move your body. Learn money skills. Build communication. Even 1% better daily compounds. And one day, people will say, wow, you're so lucky. But they won't see the silent mornings, the focused afternoons, the disciplined nights. Emotional moment. I know it feels heavy sometimes. I know you compare yourself and feel behind. But trust me, the fact that you're watching this means you care. And that already puts you ahead of thousands. You are not lost. You're just early in the process. So stop wasting your 20s. Not with extreme pressure, not with toxic hustle, but with daily intentional action. Control your mornings. Focus your afternoons. Protect your evenings. Strengthen your mindset. Small days, big future. If this video helped you even a little, subscribe to Thrive More. Because we're building strong minds here. Share this with a friend who needs direction. And remember, your 20s are not a playground. They are your foundation. Start building.